All right, using this new representation, this is called a stem and leaf plot. This is just a way of shortening how we write out the data. We start by saying how many students were polled if we were talking about doing research on the amount of miles that students are driving each week. Realize that the number on the left is the tens place, and the number on the right is the ones place. So this legend shows us that a 5/2 actually represents 52. That's 52 miles driven to work. So for example, this right here would be an 11. If I was writing out this data in full, I'd write 11, 11, 12, 13, 17, 19, 20, 23, 26, 26, etc., etc. Do you see how we have to use the numbers on the left to put them with the numbers on the right? Since the numbers on the left go with the numbers on the right, we actually don't have to count those on the left, but we just want to count the ones on the right. So how many students were polled? Just count the ones on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So count those and double check to see. Did you get 30 students when you counted? Always double check it once or twice to make sure you're getting the correct amount. Finding the mean means we're going to add up all these numbers for a total and divide it by 30. And so when I say to add all the numbers, I don't mean adding all the numbers on the right. I mean the actual numbers. So you're going to add 11 plus 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 17 plus 19 plus 20 plus 23, etc. You're adding all the whole numbers together. So pause the video right now and do the mean on your own, and then let's check your answer. Okay, so really do that a couple times and make sure that you get the same number a couple times. I'm getting 1188 divided by 30. Is going to give us a mean of 39.6. Okay, mode, did you notice when you were adding that 39 was happening the most? So 39, that's right up here. Then the Q1, Q2, Q3. So if we've got 30 things, go to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right here in the middle of this, in the middle of 39 and 39, that means our Q2 is 39. Okay, that means we're going to have 15 things on each side, so there is going to be a true middle of the first and second half. So 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now we've got 7 on each side. So Q1 is 23. And then Q3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is going to be 55. So for the IQR, you're subtracting 55 minus 23. Lower and upper quartiles, we're going to go 23 minus 1.5 of 32. That's going to be our lower cutoff. And then 55 plus 1.5 of 32. That's going to be our upper cutoff. And so if we look back at the data, do I have any data below? Oops, I forgot to add that one. 103, sorry, on this one, not subtracted. Okay, do we have any data below the cutoff of negative 25? No, there's no negative numbers. And do we have any data above that? So how many outliers are there? None. No upper and no lower. What percentage of students spent $40 or more? I'm sorry, not spent. What percent of students drove 40 miles or more per week? So if we go up here and kind of look at this cutoff, we're looking at the bottom numbers being 40 or more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 out of the 30 are what drove 40 miles or more. Okay, so that's doing a stem and leaf on your own. I hope you use this to check your work and that you truly tried it on your own to make sure you got it from yesterday.